Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this fool me once, fool me twice?
Hi. Welcome back to Joyce Michelle. Yes, I look crazy. I tried to brush this hair up. I look like a kid. Look, I came on here to show y'all a product that I ordered, and I'm missing a nail. But we gonna push through. Maybe, how long it's been? I got back from the gym almost 2 hours ago. And I was getting ready to go to the shower when I got a doorbell ring. So, Amazon brought my package. Look. I've been wanting one of these for years. And, girl, how hard is it gonna be? It's Friday, August the 1st. And I was trying to think, I want to do a makeup look or do a get ready with me. But I'm hearing thunder. And so I'm still going to do the get ready with me, but I was thinking about going to Cheddar's again since they messed up on my birthday. And I was thinking, well, you might as well just go take yourself out to eat later on. So I'm thinking about doing that. And I've been sitting up here contemplating, should I wash my hair or should I leave it alone and put it up in a bun? Because, I picked up some hair from the beauty supply store. And, y'all, my hair has really gotten thin. It really has. So I got a Hollywood Vanity mirror. And let me show you the mirror I got. This right here, I can't see. Why do when I get packages, I gotta go through several boxes? And that's probably a good thing. And I got so much content filmed and I ain't edited nothing. I need to edit because y'all ain't gonna be able to see it if I don't get it out. But I'm kind of tired and want to nap. Girl, I'm a mess. I'm kind of tired. I'm trying to get it open, y'all. Ow, the box is poking me in the thigh. I think I'm gonna have to get, what's one of them things, a box cutter. Okay, it's not another box. So, Hollywood Vanity mirror. Okay, I'm struggling. I want to see what it says though real quick. This is from Vox Cipher. Product description: 9-bowl mirror, 360 degrees adjustable, smart touch design, 3 light colors. Made in where? China. got the bulbs in there, and I was just thinking, am I gonna have to go out and buy bulbs? So she is so darling. Look. Ting. I'm going to have to take a lot of pictures of her. I got it from Amazon, and I don't think I can link Amazon products.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this
something out? Give me a moment and let me. Okay, now. Why don't any of these products ever have the booty to the plug? It's you. Do they think we just sit around with the? Plug it in. Now the thing is, what worries me is when I'm filming, I'm going to have to lift my camera up more so that I can be able, y'all can be able to see. I got a sneaky suspicion that I'm gonna have to change this room around. I'm trying to plug it in my computer, y'all. No, you don't like that? Okay, let's turn you over then. Oh wow, I just pushed off another nail. Well, that's fine because I was gonna have to, I wanted to change them anyway. Girl, why am I struggling to push this in here? Oh, I just unplugged my computer. Okay, we're really having a hard time. Maybe it's wrong. Maybe it's just not the right way, Joyce. Oh my God, this is crazy. It shouldn't be this hard. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're back and the nail is about to come off. But I just wanted to show y'all it turning. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. And now I can see when I do my makeup. What's this? So it has 3 different modes. It said that. Okay, but I don't know what that's for. Okay, I get it. And I forgot how much she was. I think she was $18. Let me go look real quick so I can tell y'all the deets. Y'all, my baby boy is sick, and I'm so sick to my stomach about it. And I'm very upset. I've been praying for him all day long. All day. I've been praying for that boy of mine. Let me see. So, it's it. I told y'all the name of it, but I want to give y'all. So, it was $18.88. It took 2 days. 2, maybe 3 days. So it says Hollywood Vanity mirror, makeup mirror with lights, 9-inch bulbs, touch control, three colors, light, 360 rotation, light up vanity mirror for dressing room and bedroom. And yeah, I like her. I'm happy. So now I can push her back, but the only thing is what I'm afraid of is, like I told y'all, where my mirror sits on my desk. And let's see, and I don't want her to fall back. Oh, she's working great. Okay, You said 360. Why isn't she moving? Oh, yes. I like. So this was the purchase of a vanity mirror with my little teeny bopper hair. Okay, now I can go take a shower. I'm happy. Y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Let me know if you have, I don't want the real giant one. This one is great. This one is like, she good. She's cute and she fits, and I don't need the like real long one, and no. Am I gonna have to change her so I can make sure she don't fall off my makeup desk? Probably, but we will deal with that later. All right, y'all stay blessed and stay safe. Let me know if you have one. Let me know if you want one, and I'll work on trying to get a link for this mirror.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this shit
Oh my goodness.
Hit up my girls.
I'm so happy.
Pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.